us? Yeah, good job. Oh, careful. Here, on
Why don't you take his hand and help him a little bit? Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Yep, that's one of your crackers. What?
Oh. It's a strong and sturdy xylophone. Makes a great bench too.
There you go. Well, I don't think you can play the box.
Okay, not bad for our first try. We know where it goes. That's good. Good job, Izzy.
Back up.
Thanks, Kinderlingwood. Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Box. Do you want to take it back out? You can take it out of the box. There you go. Can you play it for us again? Here. What? Over here. Oh, careful.
Let's see if it works upside down. That's a fair experiment. Not as musical, huh? Still fun. Not as musical. Oh, you can knock on it. That works. We like it. Makes a good snack. Makes a good toy. There we go. Yeah, good job, buddy. Yeah, you're already a good musician. Oh, my turn? Thank you. Your turn. Okay, say goodbye to the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.